In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to N8n using a custom app and an admin API access token. We'll go through the setup in a simple, clear way so you can get everything connected smoothly. Make sure you're doing this in Chrome, since that's the browser used for this process, and it helps keep the experience consistent. Start by opening your Shopify admin, then go into Settings. From there, select Apps and Sales Channels, and then open Develop Apps. This is where you can create a custom app that allows N8n to communicate with your Shopify store securely through the admin API. Once you're in the Develop Apps section, click Create an App. For the app name, enter N8n connector. Naming it clearly like this makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you create multiple integrations over time. After that, configure the admin API permission scopes your workflow requires. This part is important because these scopes determine what N8n will be allowed to access or manage inside your Shopify store. If your automation needs to read products, orders, customers, or other store data, make sure you enable the appropriate permissions here. It's always a good idea to choose only the permissions you actually need, so your setup stays clean and secure. After the permissions are configured, click Install App. Shopify will then generate the Admin API Access token for this custom app. Copy that token and store it somewhere safe right away. In many cases, this token is only fully visible when it's first generated, so don't skip this step. Since it gives API access to your store, treat it like a password and never share it publicly. Next, switch over to N8n and add a Shopify node to your workflow. When setting up the credentials, choose either Access Token or OAuth 2, depending on the method you want to use. If you're using the custom app token you just created, paste in the required credentials and then enter your Shopify store subdomain value. Be careful to enter only the subdomain portion, not the full website address, since that's typically what N8n expects for the connection. Once those details are in place, save your credentials and continue configuring the node as needed for your workflow. If the connection doesn't work on the first try, double check the token, the selected permission,